All right, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a little Sunday special going on. I'm here with ex-employee Moose.
Ex-employee.
Yeah,
I was laid off.
He was laid off due to poor craftsmanship. Anyways, we're gonna go check out a car, possibly a new flipper deal that we're gonna be doing through BBC. Not a 3 Series. We're gonna get one of those chick 135 cars.
There you go.
So we'll check it out. Yeah, we got about a 40-minute drive. We're gonna go check it out, and it's got a couple issues. I think they said the speedometer wasn't working. It needs a wheel speed sensor, and it's a little bit dirty, but I think it's something that we can revive and hopefully turn around and make it, you know, a little profit on it. So we'll see. We'll check back once we get there and we'll show you the car. All right, we just pulled up to this meetup location. I think he's just a few minutes away, so
I think we got ditched.
yeah, hopefully this isn't a bust. I don't know, what do you think? 135 time?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know if I could see you driving one of those chick cars.
They're not that bad. It is an auto, unfortunately, but I don't know, maybe we should do a manual swap.
I think Omar's about to get the gap in his own car.
I'll get gap to any car, bro. All right, we'll see. We'll update you once he pulls up. All right, guys, so buddy just pulled up with the 135 right here. Looks pretty good. I mean, overall thoughts, it just needs a little love. She's kind of dirty, you know, but I just took it for a drive. No half engine light. It's got a bunch of lights on for ABS, and the mile per hour is not working on it, but I mean, it seems like a pretty simple fix. The only body damage it has is this hood, which we can't open, but you know, we'll get a new hood for it, get it painted, and she looks pretty good with these wheels. What do they call this? It's called this like a champagne, I think, right?
It's champagne, yeah.
Champagne with the white interior, but I don't know. Seems pretty good. So I think we'll take on this little project and get her back on the road. So yeah, appreciate it, man. Thanks for your time.
No problem. Thanks,
Moose approval, yeah? All right. Cool. All right. It's officially ours.
Oh, yeah, just show everybody your
Florida title. It's not even my information, bro. Registered owner, Subaru. All right, so what you think? You're gonna be driving this home now, so
good luck.
You're gonna be riding dirty. Look at this, no plate, headlight out.
Yeah, busted lid.
But look, check it out. Overall, she's clean. Wheels are clean.
Oh, it's got Michelin's.
Yeah, she got some Pilot Super Sports or 4S's.
Except the little fucking balls.
No, not really. It's got tread. Yeah, she's got tread.
Sketchy. What the rears got?
We're gonna throw a hood on, do our maintenance on it, get it painted, and we're gonna ship her. I don't know, maybe we should do a giveaway. Shit. There ain't no way we could do that yet. But maybe if you guys keep liking, sharing, subscribing, we're gonna build this channel up.
Oh no, that tire's really low on air.
And we will be able to do giveaways eventually.
That tire is low on air.
She'll be alright.
Oh no.
There she is. Man, she looks good. Not gonna lie. I always had a little soft spot for the cute little 135. Gotta get some black lines on her though. That thing's hideous. On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep pulling.
So we got the car. We're cruising back right now. John threw me in the ship box. He wants me to drive it, so hopefully we'll be good. But drive's great, but holy Christmas tree. Yeah, every single light on the dash. But no, other than that, turbo spool good. No half engine light. If you look at the gas gauge, for some reason it keeps fluctuating and moving. Kind of sketchy. But, yeah. I mean, 0 wastegate rattle too, which is pretty badass because 107,000 miles. So I'm surprised the turbos are still good. They must have been replaced before. Yeah, though. It's decent. So we'll update you guys what happens on the ride home. Hopefully we make it, but nah, I don't see us having any problems. Oil level is max, so we're good with that. Kind of surprised because the hood doesn't open. Look at the gas gauge. Let's see if it moves on us again. No, she's stuck now. Happens whenever I drive. Interesting. So let's see what this thing is all about. Oh yeah, she moves. Might have all the lights on the dash, but damn, man, that trans shifts pretty quick. I'm kind of surprised. Damn. Badass.
Damn! Oh, girl, ripping pretty good.
Johnny. What is he up to? In the fog. God damn. Dope.
Yup, she passed the test.
Oh shit.
She's good.
Not bad.
So, you guys let me know in the comments what you want to see done. I'm thinking for sure at least we got to do a couple bolt-ons, custom tune. Obviously we're going to fix all the maintenance issues first, but pretty solid car overall.
Oh yeah.
And then once she's good to go, maybe we'll post her up for sale, try to get a couple bucks for it. If not, I don't know. I think we got to sell it. We're going to start, maybe we're going to start doing this like new series on where we're going to start flipping cars, just like 335s, 135s, only N54. Fuck N55. We don't need to deal with that.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, I think so.
Not bad for technically the first project, right?
Yeah.
The last one doesn't count.
The last one doesn't count. This one does. I mean, really, not even a project. We're just gonna get it running perfect. You know, plugs, coils, throw tune on, do any leaking gaskets that we got to take care of, and then we'll go from there. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and we'll do a recap probably tomorrow on this thing and try to open up the hood and see what we can find underneath it.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be it for your Easter last minute purchase.
Yes sir. Peace out, guys.
You got that one wheel going, huh?
Oh yeah. That's it for today's video, right?
That's for sure valve cover. Look at that. There's smoke coming out of it.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yeah, she's gonna need a valve cover.
Cool.
All right.
Peace out.